Made in the microwave in just 5 minutes, this lemon cake turns out super soft and delicious. It's quick and easy, impossible to resist. Start by adding 2 eggs to a bowl. Then, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Next, beat very well. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and hit the like button. Then add 4 tablespoons of oil. Also add 4 tablespoons of milk. Right after, add the juice of 1 lemon. Once done, mix again very well. After finishing this step, add 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix again until fully dissolved. And if you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast recipe, you just found it. Next, add half a tablespoon of baking powder. Mix once more until fully dissolved. At this point, it's perfect. Transfer this batter to a dish greased with butter and flour. Put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. For the topping, add half a can of sweetened condensed milk to a bowl. Then, add the juice of 1 lemon. Mix well to incorporate these 2 ingredients. And tell me in the comments which city or country you're watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. Once the cake is ready, add all the topping on top. Using a spatula, spread it evenly. And to give it a special touch, I'll add some lemon zest on top, but that's totally optional. And our microwave lemon cake is ready, everyone. Now it's just a matter of taking a piece and checking out the result. And look how amazing this recipe turns out. Simply perfect. Make it at home, and I'm sure you won't regret it. If you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 in the comments.